Imagine you run into a problem where you need to select all columns of a specific type from a DuckDB table. The challenge arises because the number of columns of that type can vary. You create a table called dummy with a mix of data types, and you want to retrieve only the columns with the VARCHAR type. However, when attempting to use the output from the describe command to dynamically select these columns, you encounter a BinderException error. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. With the upcoming release of DuckDB, SQL-level variables will be introduced. By utilizing the set variable and get variable functions in the Python nightly build, you can first set a variable named varchar_names to store a list of column names with the varchar type. Then, you can use this variable in a select query to dynamically select the desired columns from the dummy table. Continuing with our solution, the select query with the columns function checks if each column is included in the list stored in the varchar_names variable. This effectively filters out the columns of type varchar from the dummy table, providing you with the desired result in a dynamic and efficient manner. In summary, by leveraging SQL-level variables in DuckDB, you can seamlessly address the challenge of selecting specific columns based on their data type. This approach not only streamlines the process, but also enhances the flexibility and adaptability of your queries. So, go ahead, try out this solution, and unlock a whole new level of dynamic data selection in DuckDB. Well, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, SQL could be dynamic and fun too. Until next time, happy query,